Configuring the defaults. When you place an object in the PCB editor design space, the software will define the shape and properties of the object based on, first, an applicable design rule. If there is a rule defined that applies to that object, the properties object are defined from the rule. For example, during a layer change when you are interactively routing, a via is automatically added with its size and hole size properties taken from the applicable routing through style design rule. Second, default settings. If an applicable design rule does not exist or does not apply, the properties of the object are defined from the default settings configured in the PCB editor default page of the preferences dialog. For example, if you run the place, then click via command, the software does not know if that via will be part of a net, so it will present a via at the size defined in the defaults.